Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect with Later for Instagram affiliate link engagement step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to later.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your account using your email and password. Once logged in, you'll land on the Later dashboard. Click on the Add Social Profile button. Select Instagram from the list of available platforms. You will be prompted to log into your Instagram account. Enter your Instagram credentials and authorize Later to access your account. Now that your Instagram profile is connected, it's time to enable link tracking. Go to the Links tab located in the sidebar. Click on the Add Link button to create a new link for your affiliate product. Fill in the required fields, including the destination URL and link description. Adjust any link settings as needed, such as tracking analytics options. Once your link is ready, click on Save Link. Next, create a new post to promote your affiliate link on Instagram. Head over to the Content tab and select New Post. Upload the image or video you want to share. In the caption field, write a compelling message to accompany your post. Include the affiliate link or mention that it can be found in your bio. To ensure proper visibility, use relevant hashtags to broaden your reach. Schedule your post for a time that aligns with your audience's engagement patterns. Click on Save or Schedule to confirm your post. Finally, monitor engagement and link performance through Later's Analytics dashboard. Make adjustments to your strategy based on the insights you gain from the data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.